Hey everyone, and welcome back to my morning report chart appraisals on Friday the 25th of September with me, Rich Perry, market analyst at Handset Markets. Moving on to dollar yen, and we've had a sharp move against the yen today. Double reason: Japan falling into deflation, 0.1% negative on the inflation CPI core data today, and also this speech from Janet Yellen overnight. And it's had again a sharp turnaround in this chart. Is this a decisive move? Well, it remains to be seen. We've had moves like this before that turned around intraday basis and completely and utterly resulted in, yet again, just the move sideways. So we've had this initial move higher. Momentum indicates, interestingly, the RSI is starting to push on, but nothing really in anything else. But the overhead resistance is now being tested. You've obviously got that 50% fib level, but also the 21 figure resistance, which came from that reaction high on the 17th within this range, but 2130 is the main resistance in this sort of recent little sort of sideways move, and you can see that playing out on this intraday chart. How choppy is that over the last sort of 2 weeks? Just even intraday, really, you don't get any real sort of trend at all. You see sharp moves one way then the other. The current move is obviously sharply higher, but is that going to do anything in terms of the range? Well, as I said, we're up at that 21 figure resistance already being tested. Is that going to continue? Well, the RSI and the hourly chart has been a very strong signal in recent weeks. Every time it gets towards 30, it's a buy. Every time it gets towards 70, it's a sell. Currently at 74. So unless it holds up at these levels, then you'd argue, I mean, if you didn't know that this Yellen speech had happened, you'd say, well, okay, well, every time in the past 2 weeks this has moved higher towards overbought, this has been a selling opportunity. So is this again a selling opportunity? Well, maybe wait for a sell signal, but certainly if you see the RSI falling back again and the momentum being lost at this resistance, then maybe that's again a sell signal, because obviously we're playing this range in the last couple of weeks. This range has continually happened on this intraday hourly chart, and at the moment, and I say at the moment, I see that this is yet again probably another chance to sell. Although obviously we've had this strong reaction, the dollar bulls gaining control, not breaking out yet above 21 figure. Also the the resistance at 2130 is intact, so maybe stick a stop on this chart above that key resistance. But certainly at the moment it could be a nice opportunity for a specky short, but who knows. I wish you good luck in your trading today, and I'll speak to you later. Thank you.